The best way to understand what Ethereum is by making a journey into a place where this technology is alive. A magical world that's fueled by fully decentralized technology. Before we dive deeper into this magical world, we need to understand how this decentralized technology works. At the bottom of everything is the blockchain technology, which works very similarly to the mycelium in the fungal world. Every fungus is part of a big network connected by the mycelium. Every fungus is a node that sends and receives information, and that's a very stable system because no matter how many fungi are missing or newly born, the system will keep working with no interruptions. As a result of every single interaction, we obtain these tokens, and they are the first major application of Ethereum, and certainly the most well-known. They are the fruit of this ecosystem, a stable and secure cryptocurrency that can be acquired and sent instantly, without restrictions, to anywhere in the world. But that's just the surface of Ethereum's true potential. To really understand what it's capable of, you need to understand smart contracts. That's why at the heart of this forest, there's a magical clock that never stops. Smart contracts works in a very similar way. Any agreement, any executable or programmable action you can imagine functions like one of the gears that keeps this clock alive. Like the magical clock, they keep running, autonomous, reliable, and eternal. But the most important thing isn't Ethereum's functionality itself. It's where it can take you. This magical forest connects to a vast city built on top of Ethereum's endless possibilities. Even the way you move through this city is shaped by Ethereum's unique system of organization. Imagine a traffic light that only changes color when everyone votes to change it. That's how DAOs work. Decision made collectively with no one in charge and yet everyone in control. But the possibilities don't stop there. You can build almost anything on top of this system. And that's what this building represents, a solid and reliable structure where you will find endless possibilities. From decentralized finance and programmable money to digital property, traceable supply chains, certifications, transparent governments, digital identity, and any other application you can imagine or even create yourself. Because the real magic of this world isn't the technology or the application themselves. It's about what you can create. Here, you're not a visitor. You are a builder, standing at the heart of a living ecosystem, ready for you to plant your seed.